Okay, just finished tidying up this this particular slide. This is one of the HTML is like for my courses on web application development. HTML is essentially one of the key section in those courses. So today I took out time to complete these particular slides. I've not done I've not shot the video yet. So by tomorrow I should be able to get the video sorted. So it's kind of like just wanted to show the basic concept of HTML. Nothing really to get it. The idea is that by the end of this particular section, you should be able to know how to work with HTML. So I've done some previous tutorials that talked about HTML. They are all free tutorials on free courses on Udemy. But I just felt the core courses, my core web application development courses, should have a section on HTML as I just want everything to be packed into one course so that you just go through everything on up to the section where we start developing the main project. So this is basically the HTML section in those web application courses. It's quite very comprehensive. At least by the end of this section, you should start working with HTML. That is basically what I try to achieve. Just taking my time to do this thing in a professional manner. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.